Right, so the UK is on lockdown. Same for other countries around the world. Wish it could be a bit sooner to prevent the virus spreading. But here we are in Birmingham, where many shops have been closed. Just the supermarkets, fuel stations, pharmacy and some hardware stores remain open for a time being around the day. As the Prime Minister has issued a statement on rules regarding this lockdown that we must all follow to avoid any further spread of this virus, and majority of us are abiding by the rules while some like to break them. That is why the police are patrolling around. Restaurants are closed, but some are carrying out deliveries. The fast food takeaways, some remain open while others be closed. Barbershops are closed too. Bank branches are closed while other branches have restricted opening hours as a result of the coronavirus crisis. Places of worship are also closed too. So we've just gone past the crazy panic shopping weeks. I must say it has calmed down a lot, and restrictions and customer limits have been put in place. While some local supermarkets like to hike up their prices, or whether it's their supplier, well, you know who you are. While our main conventional supermarkets such as Asda, Tesco, Aldi, Lidl and so on, they kept their prices as they normally should be, and we really appreciate that for looking after their customers. Now during these times you have to queue up, and only a certain amount of customers are allowed inside before you can get in throughout the day. But not to worry, there is a good amount of stock for you to buy for your basic necessities. Toilet paper is one concern to find. If you can't find them in one place, then try another, as they have limited the amount you can purchase. Keep your distance, use contactless payments if possible. Make sure you sanitize your hands or use disposable gloves when you're out. This is a homemade sanitizer. I'll leave a link in the description below on how I made this. I'm sure you guys have been bombarded with WhatsApp random videos and messages regarding this virus. Whether this coronavirus is man-made from a lab, given indications from a Netflix serial a few years back, or it's from Wuhan wet markets, prediction from a book, USA and China can carry on playing the blame game, as this is the time to come together in the name of humanity. So guys, stay positive, keep strong. Be vigilant in keeping away from fake news and scams going around. Follow the rules and guidelines, and we'll get through these tough times together. Take a picture of me.